Hey everyone, if you've ever wanted some personal insight on your KDP book, then this definitely is going to help you. So, this is a KDP book review form that I created, and if you submit to this form, I personally will review your book. Now, I don't claim to be any sort of expert, I don't guarantee any sales, but I will walk you through my suggestions and opinion on your book, and hopefully that will help you. So, I just want to go over this in a video so that way you guys know exactly what you're getting and what to expect. So first of all, read the entire form before you submit it. I want you to know that this video or like whatever video I create for your book will most likely be posted on my YouTube channel. So keep that in mind in case you didn't want like your title and author name to be shown to everybody. This is my business email, so if you have any questions, please feel free to email my business account. Your email is not shared when you submit this form, so don't worry about that. I have no idea who you are or anything. All I have is the links that you put in here. So none of your personal information is actually given to me at all. You just copy and paste a link to your book here. Currently, I'm accepting as many book submissions as you would like, but at some point I may narrow that down to one a month or something like that. So definitely just look at the community tab and I'll do my best to update you guys, or I may update this form if I end up putting a limit on people. But right now you can submit as many as you would like, and I will do my best to get to all of them. This one is just adding what keywords and niches you have for your book and how you validated your niche. This is very important because I think this is a huge part of whether or not your book is successful. So if I can help you get better keywords or a better niche, then this is where you're going to want to put that information. And then just understanding everything down here, that I don't claim to be an expert. Everything's my opinion. You agree with everything written. You don't mind your book being shown, etc. If you don't agree, then I most likely will not be able to review your book, unfortunately. If you want to see some of my previous reviews, I have this entire playlist that I can link in the description below. This is on my YouTube channel. So this is just my series here reviewing my subscribers' books. The length of the video changes depending on the book and how much I actually have to go over. Some books are more complicated than others. So far, I've done 10, and I really love doing these. I feel like it's a great way I can give back to you guys and give you some personal insight on your book, and it's completely free. So I know a lot of people charge for it, and I may at some point charge for it, but right now, as my channel is still growing, I really want to just do something nice for you guys. And we are almost at 2K, so I'm hoping giving this away for free is kind of something that can show you guys how much I really appreciate all of your support. So I go over things like your title, your subtitle, the description. I go over all the keywords you sent me using some tools that I have myself. I try to give examples of keywords or ways you can improve things, like whether it's changing your title or changing things in your description. I go over your author name, and then if you have an author central page, I normally look at it. Go over your cover and your interior if there's a look inside feature. I go over usually your book size, possibly your pages, and then if your book is sold, so your BSR ranked, and if you have any reviews, things like that. I try to go over literally everything that I can. And categories is a bit hard to do because Amazon doesn't tell me what ones you picked and only shows what ones your book is in if it sells. But sometimes I briefly go over those as well. So I really hope this is helpful, and I look forward to reviewing all of your books. So please submit. Submit as many as you would like or as little, and if you don't feel comfortable submitting them, then that's perfectly fine too. I just wanted to give an overview on what this is actually offering so that you're all aware. So thank you so much for watching and listening, and for all of your support. I greatly appreciate it, and I hope you have a great day.